In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Slides with GIFs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your presentation into a looping GIF that's perfect for emails, social posts, or quick shareable demos. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and on the homepage so you can see your recent files. From there, choose the presentation you want to export. Clicking a recent presentation is the quickest way to get started, and it ensures you're working with the latest saved version. If your deck includes animated GIFs or motion, keep in mind that the timing of slides and animations will affect how your final GIF loops. Once your file is open, look to the top left and click File. This is where Google houses all export and conversion tools. In the menu, choose Convert to Video. This option prepares your slides for media-friendly formats. If you see a settings panel here, glance over the defaults for slide duration and transitions so the pacing feels natural when it loops as a GIF. Shorter slide times often work best for quick, punchy graphics. Next, click Import. This brings your current presentation into the conversion workflow. Think of it as confirming which deck you're turning into an animated output. If a preview appears, skim through a couple of slides to make sure any GIFs embedded in your slides are playing as expected. When you're done with the conversion setup, return to your presentation and click File again at the top left. Now choose Download. This is where Google Slides offers a range of export formats. For our purpose, select GIF animation. Slides will generate an animated GIF of your deck using the slide durations you saw earlier. Depending on the size of your presentation, this may take a moment. After the download starts, save the GIF to a folder you'll remember. Before sharing, open the GIF in your image viewer or drag it into a browser tab to preview the loop. If it feels too slow or too fast, adjust slide timing in your presentation, repeat the export, and check again. Keep an eye on file size too. Fewer slides and simpler graphics produce smaller GIFs that are easier to share. And remember, GIFs don't support audio, so keep your messaging visual and concise. That's it. You've exported your Google Slides as a looping GIF, ready to post or drop into an email signature. Thanks for watching and happy creating.